Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and I really hope that you guys are safe. I know we skipped a video this week, but I have a very huge makeup haul. So there was this sale on Nykaa. I don't know what was the name of the sale, but you can see it on the screen. So I shopped for around 9,000 and maybe 10,000. So yeah, this video is gonna be all about that. There are some old items that I love and I would want to recommend it to you guys. Plus there are some new items that I've been meaning to try and I thought it's sale time, then why not try it this time. So yeah, if you think you will be interested in this video, so keep on watching. I have like bunch of lipsticks with me, so I'm gonna start with that. First I'm gonna show you lipsticks that are repeated, basically जो मैंने दोबारा खरीदी है क्योंकि वो मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है. उसमें से एक है ये. This is by Maybelline in the shade Nude Nuance and it's a very beautiful mauve shade. Let me show you. So I will swatch somewhere on my hand. So this is the shade and I think it's so beautiful. I just love it. Like if you're someone who loves, nudes and just cannot do without nudes, this is the shade that you should go for, and it's quite pocket friendly also. All the exact prices जो भी मुझे पड़ा था जितने में वो screen पे आ जाएगा. Like I'll mention the MRP of the lipstick or any of the product that I'm gonna show you, and then the price that I got it on. And yeah, this is the first lip color that I wanted to show you. Second is this one. This is Starry Flip Color by Color Bar, and you guys, this color is like so beautiful. Last time when I got this color, it was in a PR package, but I really love this color so much, so I had to get it. But sadly I think this was not in sale. It was on MRP, which is 1200 rupees. A bit expensive, but totally worth it. It's beautiful. It's a liquid lip color, so ये ना बिल्कुल भी drying नहीं है हमारे lips पे, and it's a very beautiful. Again, it's in the nude shades and it's in the orange and browns की family की side पे, as you can see. I'll give it a minute to dry and then I'll show you. This is how the Starry Flip Color looks like. It's in the shade Out and About. So good on your lips. It has a little bit of glitter consistency in it, so I love that. Like it's not over the top, but it's still there, so it's kind of really nice. Next lip color that I already had but I wanted to buy it again is this one. This is by Color Bar. Again, it's in the shade Corset. It's their Sinful Matte collection, and look at this. I mean, it's so beautiful. अब मुझे पता है कि आप लोग बोलोगे कि सारे shades बहुत मिलते जुलते हैं, but I think these are my shades, like nude family के जो shades होते हैं वही मुझे पसंद आते हैं. And yeah, oh, the texture is so creamy and I just love this color. Like one of my favorites, to be honest. And this was in sale. इसका भी MRP 1200 है, but I got this one for 800 rupees, which was a good deal because ये जो lipstick का texture है ना, you guys, अगर आप खरीदोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा what I'm talking about. It's so creamy and it just feels so good on your lips. I love it. Okay, next lipstick which I have bought for the first time, but I have tried this collection. I have, I think, एक बहुत dark सा color है, एक Amazonian है इसमें से मेरे पास. So this is by Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink and it's in the shade Hazelnut Hypnotizer. Okay, again ये भी हमारा orange वाली nude family में belong करता है. It's a very, plus it smells so good. Like बहुत tasty सा एक candy होता है ना, coffee plus obviously hazelnut, and look at this. Love it. ये थोड़ा सा ड्राइंग है हमारे लिप्स पे, तो व्हाट आई डू इज आई अप्लाई वैसलीन. लाइक बहुत अच्छे से इसको अप्लाई करने से पहले लाइक वैसलीन से अच्छे से थोड़ा सा मसाज करके लिप्स का उसको किसी टिश्यू पेपर से डैब करके कि ज़्यादा लिप्स पे वैसलीन ना, उसके बाद ये लगाओगे. लिप्स वॉन्ट ड्राई एंड द कलर इज़ ब्यूटिफुल and it's Maybelline. So Maybelline is like one of my favorite brands when it comes to makeup. So yeah, next lipstick that I wanted to try plus the brand that I wanted to try is elf. मैंने elf का कुछ भी पहले try नहीं किया है, so I got 2 lipsticks from the brand which इसमें से एक टूटा हुआ है, उसके बारे में हम बाद में बात करेंगे, but so ये उनका है seriously satin collection and it's in the shade nectar, again nude family. Honestly, like I'll be very honest, ये मैंने क्यों खरीदा है ना, because look at it, इसका जो पैकेजिंग है वो बिल्कुल ट्रांसपेरेंट है, लाइक आई डोंट नो, आई फाउंड इट वेरी क्यूट, वेरी बार्बी-ish. You know what I mean. Okay, so this is the shade. Again, ये भी काफ़ी, this is not in a matte consistency, ये बहुत ही creamy as it says satin consistency में है, and this is the color. Very similar to the Maybelline one, but the consistency is like very different. But yeah, I like the color, but मैंने इसको लगा के सोचा कि मेरे फेस पे, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे फेस पे मैट कलर्स ही ज़्यादा सूट करते हैं. लाइक दिस वन इज़ ऑल्सो मैट, द वन दैट आई एम वेयरिंग, एंड इट्स फ्रॉम ब्लर कॉस्मेटिक्स. सो वो हमने नायका से नहीं लिया है, वो पहले से था मेरे पास. ओके, नेक्स्ट लिपस्टिक दैट आई हैव फ्रॉम एल्फ इज़ दिस वन. बाहर आ जाओ बेटा. ओके, सो इसका है डे टू नाइट लिपस्टिक डुओ, need it nudes. Again, I went for the nude shades, so I was like so excited about it because it's like a new, you know, it's not like a normal lipstick ki sirf ek side lipstick hai, it has like both sides. So the one which is like more on the nude side is fine, jo ki you know, I was happy. This is the shade. Again, it has a very creamy consistency. It's a bit on the matte side, it's not so shiny, and you guys, the color is beautiful. आप देख रहे हो ना मेरे shades all nudes, but yeah, I love the consistency. Now the sad thing is जो इसका दूसरा color है, which is a little bit, जो इसका night के लिए है, and it's on the brighter side. Look, that's how it came, broken. The half part is in it. मैंने काफ़ी ट्राई किया कि मैं इसको फ्रीज करके किसी तरह निकाल दूँ, फ्रीज़र में भी रखा मैंने इसको बहुत देर तक, बट nothing happened. And yes, I complained about it, but मुझे कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिला. And it was on sale, I think 350 something का था. But yeah, सेल में भी तुम्हें ऐसा you know टूटा हुआ सामान नहीं भेजना चाहिए. But मुझे लगा कि कभी भी हो सकता है ये किसी भी ब्रांड के साथ. आई थिंक वन मोर थिंग दैट आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट नायका इज दैट अभी मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बॉक्स दिखाया था, राइट? मेरा जितना भी मैंने सामान मंगाया वो इसमें आ गया बहुत आराम से, बट दे सेंट मी दीज मैनी बॉक्सेस. लाइक ये ना पूरा कुरियर इतने सारे शिपमेंट्स में आया है, which I think was not needed, you know. I mean, you could save some boxes and deliver it a bit late. I mean, I wouldn't mind to get it a bit late, but all of my stuff together in one box or maximum 2 boxes, because कुछ थोड़ा luxury section में से था इनके, but still man, 8 boxes. Yeah, 8 boxes for like little makeup is not so good, I think. Anyway, one more lipstick is left. Too many lipsticks. तो मैंने ये ना बहुत सुना है मालविका सतलानी की स्टोरीज में. I love her. She's like a you know makeup guru for us. But ये मैंने खोला भी नहीं है अभी. So this one is by Miss Claire, and Miss Claire is like one of the affordable brands. तो मैंने कभी ट्राई नहीं किया था because ये cheap side पे है, तो मुझे लगा था पता नहीं क्वालिटी कैसा होगा. अभी भी मैंने खोल के नहीं देखा है. So I'll just open it and show you how is the shade. Okay, so this is how the applicator looks like, and ooh, it's in like a pinky side. Not my shade. Should have checked properly, but it was like on the cheap side. I'll mention the price here, but it's like very pink. I mean, I can imagine myself wearing it with something ethnic, but when it comes to western, I just like to wear nudes on my lips. So yeah, that's that. Finally, we are done with our lipsticks. One more thing that I got is again from brand that I have never used. This is from, I think, a brand called Rimmel London, and it's in the shade Exaggerate. It's like a lip liner. तो मुझे मतलब पेज पे नायका पे लगा था थोड़ा न्यूड साइड में होगा, but it's like total pink side. So बहुत कम यूज आने वाला है ये. Next thing that I'm gonna show you and I'm really excited about it is this neon purple eyeliner. This is by LA Girl Cosmetics and look at this. Shocked because ये ऐसा काजल की तरह खुलने वाला नहीं है. I have to like sharpen it, which is sad. But look at it. Isn't it like so beautiful? You guys know how much I'm obsessed with lilac. I mean, hello. So I really wanted to get a liner in purple. So I got this one. I like this one. Let me show you clearly. दिख नहीं रहा है उसमें. This is the purple. Beautiful, it's purple and we like it. Next item, which is again related to eyes. एक न्यूड काजल चाहिए था टू टू लाइन माई लोअर लैश लाइन बिकॉज मैंने सुना है ऐसा कि वाइट ना लेके न्यूड लेते हैं तो वो ज़्यादा अच्छा और नेचुरल लुक देता है. So I got this one. This is how it looks and quite pigmented. Love it. This one is from PAC and it also comes with like a smudger at the back, which is great to give you like to smudge and ज़्यादा sharp lines now. So I really like it. How it came in its own zip bag, which is great. Next thing that I have related to eye makeup is this mascara. This is by Sugar Cosmetics. I don't know, मतलब मुझे ना हमेशा से ऐसे Sugar Cosmetics जो है ना वो काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है. In some आपने देखा होगा अगर मेरे पुराने hauls में तो I got like a blush from them and a bronzer. I love their blushes. So this is my first time trying their mascara. I have tried it once. And okay, first let me show you the applicator. This is how the applicator looks like. It's very thick, good, but it's not waterproof. If you're looking for a waterproof mascara, then do not go for this one. And this one retails for $7.99 and I don't think इसमें कोई discount था. But yes, Sugar Cosmetics पे एक offer था that if you purchase for around $9.99 maybe, they give you a mini lipstick का set free, which I wanna talk about. Seriously, like it's some shit. I'll show you. But yeah, mascara is okay. To go for a reasonable mascara, I will definitely go for a Maybelline one. I am someone who loves waterproof mascara because I wear like a lot of makeup and I just don't like my mascara to like बहुत फैल जाता है. अगर हल्का सा आंसू भी आ जाए आँख में तो एकदम से तुम्हारा पूरा मेकअप ही खराब हो जाएगा. That's why I prefer waterproof mascara and I got this one also. So I got like a really good offer on the combo of this mascara plus the lipstick that I showed you, Nude Nuance, on 500 something, which is an amazing price, I'm telling you, because this mascara is I think everyone's favorite. Let me show you the applicator again if you have never seen it, but I guess this is like very popular mascara. So yeah, like comparatively, like this one retails for around 400 and this is for 800. So I will choose Maybelline anytime. Thing that I got from Sugar is a lip balm. Now they have such cute packaging and ये सारी cocktail basis पे इन्होंने नाम रखा है. So this one is an Irish coffee. It's transparent only, like it doesn't have any color, plus it smells so delicious, just like coffee. I love products that have coffee wala smell in it. I don't know, I am obsessed, but I really like this lip balm. So yeah, you can definitely go for this one. तो मुझे बात करनी थी ये इन लिपस्टिक्स के बारे में जो कि फ्री आई है शुगर के मेकअप के साथ. Now the packaging and all is really nice. So we have like 4 mini lipsticks here. Now the name and everything of 4 shades are like different obviously, but I will show you they don't have any difference, like points ka difference hai, which doesn't even make any sense. These are the 4 shades that I got, which are like free, like very similar to each other. I mean, personally I will never ever invest in this mini box. Like अगर मुझे खरीदना होगा तो I'll never go for it. I mean कुछ तो difference रखना चाहिए था. Like I don't understand it. Next product that I got, which is again in Lilac family, is a nail paint. Now look at the color, it just matches my top. It's a very beautiful color and I love this. This is from a brand called Dibel and yeah, it says it's long lasting and it is long lasting. I applied it. I think जब ये आया था आए हुए इसको 1 हफ्ता से ज़्यादा हो गया. मैंने किया था 4-5 दिन तक ठीक था इसका बहुत कम क्रैक्स आए थे, नहीं तो मेरे नेल्स पे नेल पेंट में इतनी जल्दी क्रैक्स आ जाते हैं ना, आई कांट इवन टेल यू. So yeah, I really like it. Next thing which came free actually with my color bar makeup is a color bar nail paint remover, which is a very useful thing. So I was like very happy about it. मेरा खत्म भी हो रहा था, so good thing that it came free. Next thing that I bought from M Caffeine is their soap. Now it's their coffee range. ये इतना अच्छा स्मेल करता है ना, मैं बता नहीं सकती, because I just told you that how much I love coffee fragrant products. Now this one is like so good. मैंने अभी खोला भी नहीं है इसको, because I don't know, I don't feel like using it. It just smells delicious. So yeah. And can you imagine, I just bought one product from M Caffeine and they sent me their sample kit free. It has everything related to, their coffee range, the coffee scrub, the mini coffee scrub. It's so cute. I have one more of this. Like last time मैंने M Caffeine से एक चीज़ खरीदी थी तो मुझे free मिला था. And then there is this body polishing oil in coffee range again, and a body butter. Next product that I'm gonna show you guys are again related to eyes, but this is my first time buying these brands. So this one is a brand called Swiss Beauty. Look at the shades, how beautiful the shades are, right? Now can you imagine the price of this palette? I just paid 280 rupees for this palette, you guys. Only 280 rupees. I'm not gonna swatch its color for you in this video because I really wanna make a separate video for this palette by reviewing it, or maybe creating a look from this palette, because it's like so cheap, just 280 rupees, and the colors are gorgeous. So yeah, wait for the next video with this palette. Okay, next makeup palette is by NK Makeup. इसका नाम है Oh Honey. Now you see this is, ये जो पैटर्न है ना, ये बिल्कुल हुडा ब्यूटी जैसा है, लाइक, एंड इनफैक्ट नायका के भी खुद के भी आते हैं ऐसे. ना लुक एट द कलर पैलेट, it's gorgeous, right? This one was also very cheap. I think I got this for 350 rupees and इसका MRP है 700. ग्लिटर वाले का पिगमेंटेशन दिखाती हूँ. Look how pigmented this is. Now I don't know कि कितना देर तक ये लास्ट करेगा, but for the like pigmentation, it's so good, and it's just for 350 rupees. I really, again, I wanted to review it in one of the separate videos. Like I want to dedicate a video to this palette because I really wanted to buy something from this brand. इसका actually नाम है Nika K New York. Okay, so ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब चल रहा है, इसके बहुत सारे एड्स में देख चुके हैं. लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ कलर्स इन सच रेंजेस. जैसे ये येलो टोन में है तो दे हैव समथिंग इन न्यूड, पिंक एंड एवरीथिंग. सो या, आई एम गोना ट्राई इट soon in one of the videos and give you all my final review. Next thing that I have been like, this is a palette, highlighter palette from Makeup Revolution. It's their shimmer brick palette. अगर आपको पता है कि पहले एक छोटा palette आता था, like just this हिस्सा palette का आता था, and वो मेरा favorite highlighter था. उससे अच्छा highlighter अच्छे रीजनेबल रेंज में मुझे आज तक नहीं मिला. बट सैडली वो इन्होंने बनाना ही बंद कर दिया है, विच इज़ सो सैड. सो ये आई थिंक 1300 समथिंग का है. तो मुझे हमेशा लगता था अच्छा 1300 का इतना बड़ा पैलेट पता नहीं पूरा यूज़ होगा भी कि नहीं. बट फाइनली आई हैव गॉटन इट एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी विद इट बिकॉज ये हमेशा से जो इनका शिमर ब्रिक है वो मेरा फेवरेट रहा है एंड आई लव इट. आई एम लाइक really happy with this palette. One of my favorite purchases from everything that I have gotten here. So I don't know if you know, but this item, Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, is very popular and I've used it. I've used it in like strawberry flavor, this one, and it's so good. Like you actually, you just apply it on your lips while sleeping and you will have these super soft lips in the morning. I really love it. It's like very ग्लिसरिन वाला तो नहीं बोलेंगे, बट काफ़ी थिक इसका कंसिस्टेंसी है. दैट्स व्हाई इट रिपेयर्स योर लिप्स एंड हाइड्रेट्स योर लिप्स एट नाइट. सो ये कॉम्बो ऑफर में था वेयर यू बाय लाइक 3 लिप स्लीपिंग मास्क. इट वाज लाइक अ गिफ्ट सेट एंड इट्स द मिनी वर्जन. सो वैसे तो आई थिंक 500 का एक आता है मिनी, and मेरे को बस 100 का डिस्काउंट मिला है, but I got like a bunch of free stuff with it. So I got like 2 useless things which I'll just show you, and I got one sample of their sleeping mask which you're supposed to apply on your face, and it will hydrate you and everything while you're sleeping. I'm really excited to use it. This is not a sleeping mask. I know it looks like the same bottle, but it's just their sample size. One more thing which came free with this is a serum. Love this because it's like a very cute mini bottle, and I just love everything mini, and it's travel friendly. That we can do right now, but you get the idea, right? And this is something which I don't understand, and it just came free with it. So it's like a mask, like you have to, like you can keep your mask in it. It's like your mask holder, a mask box, and it has something in it which I think I broke. पता नहीं इसमें ना कुछ है, कुछ तो है, some freshener or some anti-defectant stuff, but who will keep your mask in it and who will buy it? I don't know. And then they sent a strap also to hold your mask in place, which is again a very useless thing I feel, but yeah, it was all free, so I don't mind keeping it. Anyway, this was it about this video. I know it's been like a very huge haul, and I really hope that you guys enjoy it and liked my recommendations. Comment down below if you have used any of these products or brands. I am like really excited to know, especially about the palette. Yeah, just make sure that you like this video, share it with your friends if they love watching shopping hauls, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Bell button is also important, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video.